Que coisa louca, hein? E olha só o que acontece aí com o Francisco Paiva Júnior.
Impressionante.
Uma cena fortíssima.
We're on board with him coming turn 3 right through turn 4, and it's going to be as he flicks it left through turn 5. Something is going to happen.
Yeah, because he goes across it.
Oh, a huge high side. Oh my goodness me. No wonder he's walking away. We've got a red flag. What? Here's what happened there then. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Holy Mother of God.
Take a deep breath, everybody. He's absolutely committed. He hits the wall, first of all, on the right-hand side, and that breaks. Kirchhoffer is a passenger, gets airborne and almost does roll over.
That went over.
I think that went over.
Holy shit.
Down towards Lisboa, jinks out to the left-hand side of the circuit. And a lovely picture of the guardrail there. A nicer... Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Marcin Hua.
Something inside of Remy Gardner, who's just a little... Oh, high side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous, dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me, it's exactly what you don't want to see.
Do you know what? I think he's seen that there's an incident, and he's actually gone left. He's gone right, sorry, instead of left. Nothing. What could he do? Oh my goodness me!
Look at the motorcycles. It's ripped the front wheel.
Up on off he flies and hits the barrier right in front of one of the marshals posts. Again, the marshals doing a great, brave job. Have to duck out of the way as bits fly, cars fly, debris flies.
Diretor-geral da Master KTV tá atento ao nosso trabalho, Vicário. Ele é a briga pelo terceiro lugar. Opa, mas aí a pancada é forte demais.
Roberval.
Aí o Roberval estampa.
Ryan Newman off turn 4 for the final time. Blaney to the outside, to the inside. Here comes Hamlin up the outside.
Wow.
Crash into the wall, into the air. Goes Newman.
Upside down.
In a shower of sparks on his roof. Ryan Newman comes across the line, 4th.
Let's have a look at how it happened there. Into turn number 5. Oh, they were gone early. Oh, big smash. That's a big accident.
Con Del Bianco, con Capellini alle spalle dei primi, poi il sorpasso di Michele Pirro, pazzesca la dinamica su Andrea Mantovani, rimane agganciato la moto, i due finiscono a terra, un rischio enorme, per fortuna senza conseguenze per questi due piloti.
Kevin Gilardoni does his switchback move again, look in the background and gets up alongside Raul Gutzman. And alongside both of them, Jonathan Cecotto with this carnage because they all managed to meet in the middle and a big impact. Jonathan Cecotto's car bounces off the barrier.
Already way loose, loses it, brushes the wall, not super hard, and then it just hooks itself, and that's the worst case scenario right there. He's going full stop. Listen here. Oh.
ได้ชนะ
โอ้โหเซลล์กี้มาอีกแล้ว
5เป็นโสพลภูมิลินทร์เอาละอนันทรโอ้โหลูกนี้เข้าไปบินเข้าไปครับโอ้โหเอาละครับไหนสนามว่ายังไงครับ
Brad Sweet looking for the lead in turns 1 and 2. Car slow and Madison. Oh, wicked crash.
The line is good, the pace is good, his reading of traffic is good. Laurent is going to have to be clever here if he wants to find a way through.
That's a heavy impact. The car's rolled and back onto its wheels. That is going to be a safety car straight away.
But Girolami under real attack now from Jean-Carl Vernet.
Now we're on the final tour now, Martin. I think that the Honda is most vulnerable. Oh no!
Vernet, no!
Big accident for Nesta Girolami, and is that the end of his championship hopes?
Yes. And here's the view looking back. Girolami comes across, and look, Vernet's trying to go, no!
Oh, that's a huge.
We've seen this out of Sam already in Atlanta. This is the battle for fourth.
Oh, no! Oh, no!
Oh, no, that is bad. Don't like it. That's Gus Rodeo's involved, and it looks like it's Burleson.
Game and look at the effect. They're all battling up, and if they touch, they're 3 wide down into turn 1, 4 wide. Now here at Suzuka, that's not going to work.
Big crash. Here it comes out, this big crash in Sasahara.
And that is an absolute in the wall, as is Sasahara. I think there's 3 or 4 cars off here, and that is a nasty accident. He's out of the car there, fortunately. Sasahara climbing out on his own. He's got into the squishy barrier.
Mini challenge. In diretta
molto bene Ivan Tramontozzi, che è entrato subito in circolo. Si tocca.
Mamma mia! Un contatto con veramente
di gara, ma la
vediamo da questa
praticamente si toccano, fa perno e lo spinge fuori.
Vola Gagliardini.
Di fatto.
And Giotto, meanwhile, behind in the other high tech is the driver battling. We join this battle live. Nothing between the two of them. Oh, and that's a big crash into the wall. And thank goodness that Luca Giotto is climbing out of the car, because that was a massive hit. And look at what it has done.
Court avec ses freins, 100 mètres, épingle gauche 20 moins glisse, 140 tours, court avec ses freins, 100 mètres. Ça va Renaud? Ouais, ok. Ça va Renaud? Ouais, ça va? Ok.
Il gruppo si lancerà di gran carriera verso la curva del tamburello, sono partita questa gara 2, attenzione, contatto in partenza tra due vetture che si agganciano.
În zona de finish, iată, apare în acest moment și liderul campionatului național de raliuri Betano. Este vorba de Simone Tempestini, secundat de același Sergiu Sebastianitu, iese foarte larg acolo și nu se poate, răsucire, ieșire în decor, ia mașina foc lui Simone Tempestini, să sperăm că o să iasă.
Don't throw it. Oh, he spun. There's contact. He's over. Braden Eves, hard impact, upside down in turn number 11.